One of my hobbies is astronomy, and I find that very interesting. And I was looking at the pictures that were uploaded to the internet from the NASA laboratories of the surface of Mars, and I decided to do a very quick upload on this. I'm sorry I haven't really got much time. And it does look, according to NASA, that there seems to have been water on Mars at some point in the past, and that there may be, if they look under the surface, water, and therefore they might be able to live on Mars in the future. And this could perhaps be a solution to the world population problem, and that's why NASA is asking for more funding, and that might be a good idea. And here we have another picture, which is quite interesting. This is taken with the module rover. It's a kind of it's a bit like a incredibly expensive remote control vehicle, the sort of thing you see at a toy shop, only costing 1,000,000 times more. And this is it's extraordinary that they can bring back these pictures from so far away. And there's similarities in many ways to the surface of the Earth. I mean, this could be the desert, and and that does give hope that perhaps the Mars rover expedition wasn't a colossal waste of money after all, and that there may be something in it for people on the planet Earth. And here we see the Mars rover modules on their way to pick up samples from the distance. They found all kinds of precious metals on Mars in quantities that could be viable, and there's a possibility that it could be possible to send up mining equipment to Mars and to actually mine precious materials. For example, there's a lot of coal on Mars, and it could be, if the water situation can be improved, there's a possibility of growing corn. And here's the Mars module about to land on the surface of Mars, and as you can see, there are mountains there, and I mean, the only thing that needs to be done is to find a way to live at 3,000 degrees centigrade. And if the water can be found and the air can be found, and the temperature wasn't so high, then it is possible for life to exist. So one possibility that NASA suggested was to send tankers full of water and oxygen to Mars, and refrigeration equipment. This could be used to produce an atmosphere that would be suitable for human beings. And I think the American people are prepared to pay for that, because obviously, with all the wars that are going on, it may be necessary to leave the Earth in the near future, especially if the Palestinian terrorists manage to acquire more fireworks. This could run America off the Earth. So it's vital that the NASA be given every penny that is necessary, every cent, to send up more. And of course, Boeing and Halliburton are very keen to get involved in this, and it could be the site of Dick Cheney's new ranch.